Hello again, and thank you again for joining me on my channel. Today is a Snowpiercer day. Today I will be watching Season 1, Episode 3, Access is Power. So, I know that I haven't done a Snowpiercer episode recently. I have so many reasons, and I already explained them on my Star Trek series. But today I'm going to continue doing this series. So, today's snack are crisps, and that's basically it. Before I begin, Leighton already understood that Mr. Wilfer is more interested about what secrets did the victim spill before he was killed, rather than actually knowing who killed him. Miles has been taken away as his apprenticeship program, so he's no longer part of the tailies, and other kids are also there. Some of his friends have already been taken into the drawers, and apparently whoever gets into the drawers has to get this drug that will keep them asleep. But apparently, to this girl that has been tried to brought back, it's kind of rotten. Her hand or her arm is getting like necrotic, and Leighton has already encountered this old flame with whom he was engaged, but she somehow abandoned him. So that's all we know so far. There's also have been a breach in this car with cows, and everyone in that accident died. That's basically where I'm left at, so let's see what happens now. Let's get this done. I totally forgot he got beaten up.
Commander, you can handle the fight?
Of course.
They are taking this more like a sect, and they're taking Mr. Wilfer's word like it was the word of God. That's kind of scary, because now people is not really looking at a human, but they're looking like this know-it-all person. I don't know, it's kind of weird so far. This guy, he looks tough, but I'm not really sure which side he is. Is he like in the good side or in the bad side? I don't know. But he's interesting. He's actually a quite interesting character.
Chrono's not new with spinning the tail for 2 revolutions. Oh, you're not getting a cut? All you gotta do is go down on a brakeman. Your boy Oz trades K for blowjobs in the tail.
This guy's
Well,
are on the nothing.
Maybe it's the other way around. Maybe Chrono's a street version of their suspension drug.
The materials are tightly controlled. Clint, what have you done?
Oh, he looks so guilty.
It's not what you think.
Oh, he doesn't know.
Miles made the apprenticeship program.
Survive! The engine will provide!
It's a sect. I'm not kidding. This is just a sect. This is sick.
My wedding ring.
Oh, so they were married. I don't like her. I have to say, I don't like her.
Go tell him, Brakeman.
Bitch.
She's innocent.
Told you. There's something going on with that family. I told you.
Mr.
You describe him?
Out from these corridors, first class, maybe early 30s, bus cut. Takes care of
The
himself.
bodyguard from the redheads. Oh no, she's having a thing for Leighton. Well,
Leighton
yeah.
has the description of a man who was
I
with
would
Sean
too.
Wise just before.
Josie Wellstead!
It's kind of terrifying to get your name shouted. Oh, they're coming after her. go, girl. You better disappear. That's 2 more murders they're gonna have to solve. The bodyguard told you. Please tell me he passed her something. Information, please. Yes. The chip? Yes! Okay, so now we know that Josie has an access chip, and apparently that chip can open any door, because from what we could see in the beginning, that chip went through a lot of hands, so that was quite expensive. And I don't know, I mean, Leighton had it for only 1 ring, so probably it's not that expensive to get an access chip. But then again, how expensive? Well, no, Chronol is not that expensive, but the chip was a lot more, so they had to use the wedding ring. So it's looking okay. Now, for next episode, I think I don't know if they're gonna find 2 or 3 more bodies, depending if Nikki got killed by the bodyguard. But like I said before, I'm pretty sure that red-headed family has something deeper that we need to know. This girl knows a lot more, and obviously the mother knows things that the daughter doesn't know. So I think there's something going on between the daughter and the bodyguard, like they have a very close relationship, and the bodyguard is just, you know, getting rid of any evidence that may link them to them. So it's getting a little more twisted. Let's see what other surprises. I'm so sure that Mr. Wilford died. I don't know what of, probably cancer or something that I'm just guessing. But yeah, he's definitely dead. And Melanie is just making him up as a matter to keep things under control, I'm assuming. So that's it. Let's see what happens in the next episode. Thank you again for joining me, and I'll see you the next time. Bye-bye.